Okay, welcome. So this is our material today, Unit 7. What does your father do? Father do. So this is talking about jobs. Jadi kita akan belajar tentang pekerjaan nih. And then here we will move to A. Guess and say the boy's answer. So here we have question. What does your father do? Nah, kira-kira nih Gitrif, ini ayahnya ngapain nih kira-kira?
Nyabut tanaman.
Nyabut tanaman. Oke, kira-kira nih tanamannya apa gitu? Tahu nggak kira-kira?
Tobak.
Lobak. Oke, so lobak. What is lobak in English gitu?
I don't know.
You don't know. Oke, lobak itu bahasa Inggrisnya adalah radish ya. Radish. So lobak in English is radish. Jadi kira-kira mencabut lobak bahasa Inggrisnya tahu nggak gitu? Apa?
I don't know.
Tadi lobak bahasa Inggrisnya apa gitu?
Hmm,
Ingat nggak?
enggak.
Lo cap tulis di sini ya. Jadi lobak itu radish ya. So this lobak is radish. And then here mencabut bisa dibilang kayak pull out, menarik ya, menarik atau menarik atau mencabut. Nah, di sini berarti kira-kira gitu jawabannya kira-kira jadi gimana nih? What does your father do? The answer is
Pull out radish.
pull out radish berarti bisa dibilang he pulls out radish. Jadi jawabannya bisa kayak ini. He pulls out radish. Okay, so now I want to ask you, what does your father do? Jawabannya,
Hmm, she pulls out radish.
okay, he pulls out radish. Okay, that's cool answer. And then here we have two question. Oh, so no. Jadi di sini kalau what does your father do? Kira-kira ayahnya ini pekerjaannya apa?
Berladang.
Berladang. Kalau berladang berarti pekerjaannya apa? Disebut dengan
Tani.
petani. Oke, petani bahasa Inggrisnya apa nih, Gitrif?
Hmm,
Petani.
villager.
Petani. Bahasa Inggrisnya bisa farmer ya. Pernah dengar nggak Gitrif? Farmer.
Jarang.
Jarang. Jadi farmer itu adalah petani ya. Jadi farmer, petani. So here, what is the man doing? Kira-kira orang yang tadi ngapain Gitrif? What is the man doing?
She farmer.
Oke, boleh he is farmer atau he pulls out radish. And then here we have who is helping the man? Jawabannya apa nih? Siapa yang membantu laki-laki itu?
I
Yang
don't
bantu siapa
know.
nih? Kira-kira nih, ini bapaknya narik sama siapa?
Sama
Ini ada kelihatan nih. Apa ini kira-kira ini apa?
burung.
Burung. Berarti burung bahasa Inggrisnya
Bird.
bird. So, who is helping the man? Jawabannya
Bird.
bird. Okay. Okay, that is good answer. Okay, so that is about part A. And then we will continue to this B. Listen and say. Then practice this. So here we have 10 words. Ada 10 kata-kata. Start from actor or actress, ada doctor, farmer, pilot, architect, act in movies, help sick people, grow food, fly planes, and the last design building. Jadi di atas ini ada macam-macam pekerjaannya, or the occupation, pekerjaannya. And then in the below is the task atau tugasnya. Jadi aktor, as act in movies, doctor helps people sick, farmer grows food, pilot flies plane, and the last architect designs building. Okay, so now Gidriff, we will listen to the audio and then you can practice it by the audio. Are you ready, Gidriff?
Yes.
Oke, Gidriff kameranya mati nih. Kenapa nih, Gidriff? You can open dari kamera ya. Okay, so now we will practice it.
Unit 7. What does your father do? Role play. Talking about jobs. Getting ready. Page 30. B. Listen and say. Then practice with your partner. 1. Actor,
Actor.
actress,
Actress.
actor,
Actor.
actress.
Actress.
2. Doctor,
Doctor.
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 3. Farmer,
Farmer.
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 4. Pilot,
Pilot.
pilot. 5. Architect,
Architect.
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 6. Act in movies,
Act in movie.
act in movies.
Act in movie.
7. Help
7.
sick people,
Help sick
help
people.
sick people.
Help
8.
sick people.
Grow food,
Grow food.
grow food.
Grow food.
9. Fly
Grow.
planes,
Fly plane.
fly planes.
Fly plane.
10. Design buildings,
Design building.
design buildings.
Design building.
Okay, so that is about this part from the listening. Okay, so now Gidriff, we will try to translate it together. Kita akan mencoba untuk menerjemahkan bersama-sama nih. Okay, so now from the first we have actor and actress. Kira-kira bahasa Indonesianya apa nih, Gidriff?
I don't know.
Actor or actress itu bahasanya bisa aktor atau aktris. Pernah dengar ini nggak, Idrif?
Nggak pernah.
Oke, jadi aktor dan aktris ini adalah orang yang main di film ya. Jadi, Idrif pernah lihat film? Have you ever watched movie?
Pernah.
So, what is your favorite movie? Film
Hmm,
favoritnya apa?
hmm, Agent Ali.
Sorry?
Agent Ali.
Agent Ali. Agent Ali film favoritnya Gidrif ya?
Mm-mm.
Oke, jadi di Agent Ali itu kan ada pemainnya. Jadi kalau pemainnya cowok, itu bilangnya aktor. Aktor itu untuk yang laki-laki. And then for actress, itu yang main film kalau perempuan. Jadi kayak gitu-gitu. Paham nggak kira-kira gitu, Rif?
Paham.
Jadi aktor or actress is a movie star. Jadi orang yang memainkan film. Jadi ada aktor itu laki-laki, and actress is a woman atau perempuan. Oke, do you get it gitu, Rif? Paham gitu, Rif?
Paham.
Okay, so that is for number one, actor and actress. And then let's move to number two. What is it?
Dokter.
Dokter. Oke, benar banget. Kita punya dokter. Terus nomor tiga,
Farmer.
farmer. Kira-kira farmer apa nih?
Petani.
Petani. Oke, benar banget. Petani. Ada petani. And then ada pilot. Pilot kira-kira apa nih? Pilot. Oke, benar banget. Pilot tetap pilot, itu tetap pilot. And then we have architect. Kira-kira apa nih architect?
Hmm, tukang.
Tukang. Jadi ini adalah orang yang mendesain bangunan. Kira-kira apa bahasa Indonesia? Tahu nggak gitu? Pernah dengar arsitek nggak gitu?
Enggak.
Jadi arsitek itu adalah arsitek ya. So, orang yang mendesain bangunan. Jadi orang-orang yang menggambar rumah, menggambar bangunan, gedung. Jadi itu adalah namanya arsitek. Bahasa Inggrisnya architect. Paham gitu, Rif?
Paham?
Paham ya. Jadi bukan tukangnya ya, bukan orang yang membangun rumahnya, tapi yang mendesain bangunannya. Jadi yang gambar. Jadi bukan yang pak tukangnya. Paham gitu, Rif?
Paham?
Okay, so that is for number five. We have architect atau arsitek. And then we have this for number six atau number six until number 10 itu adalah yang dilakukan atau dikerjakan. We have number six is acting in movie. Act in movies. Kira-kira artinya apa nih, Kitri?
Main film.
Main film atau beraksi ya. Act itu beraksi. Jadi beraksi di film atau di in movie. So that is for number six. For number seven, we have help sick people. Artinya
Mengobati pasien.
mengobati passion. Oke, atau help. Help itu artinya apa nih, Gidri?
Tolong.
Tolong atau menolong. Menolong sick people. Sick itu apa? Tahu nggak, Gidri?
Pasien.
Sick itu sakit ya. Berarti sick people adalah
Menolong pasien yang sakit.
pasien yang sakit atau people itu orang ya. Kalau orang berarti menolong.
Menolong orang yang sakit.
Oke, benar banget. Menolong orang sakit. Jadi help sick people itu menolong orang sakit. And then we have number eight, grow food. Kira-kira tahu nggak gitu Rif, ini apa kok kalau grow food ini?
Berladang.
Berladang atau grow. Grow itu menumbuhkan. Menumbuhkan food. Artinya,
Menumbuhkan makanan.
oke, boleh banget. Menumbuhkan makanan. Terus kita ada nomor 7. Nomor 9, number 9. That is fly planes. Artinya,
Menerbangkan pesawat.
oke, benar banget. Menerbangkan pesawat. Fly planes. Menerbangkan pesawat. And last year we have design building. Artinya, tahu nggak?
Membangun bangunan.
Oke, desain. Desain itu mendesain ya. Mendesain, mendesain bangunan. Jadi yang merancang atau menggambarkan. Mendesain bangunan. Nah, so this is for 10, for 5 occupation, and then for number 6 until number 10 is what do they do? Jadi apa yang mereka lakukan? So number 1, actress and actor and actress, they are acting in movie. Berlaga, beraksi di film. And then for number 2, doctor, they helps sick people. And then number 3, farmer, they grow food. And then for pilot, itu they fly planes. And the last, architect, they design buildings. Okay, so now Gitrif, I want you to read number 1 until number 10. Can you do it, Gitrif? Okay,
Aktor,
please.
aktris, aktor, aktris, dok, dokter, dokter, farmer, petani, pilot, 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 arsitek, arsitek, act in movie, beraksi di film, help sick people. Menolong orang sakit. Grow food, menumbuhkan makanan. Fly plane, menerbangkan pesawat. Dancing building, mendesain bangunan.
Oke, untuk yang terakhir bilangnya design building ya, coba. Design building.
Design building.
Oke, design building. Artinya mendesain bangunan. Oke, gitu Rif. From here, do you have a question? Ada pertanyaan gitu, Rif?
No.
No. Okay, and then here we have this. What does your mother do? Jadi ini untuk menanyakan pekerjaan orang tua nih. What does your mother do? Dijawab, she is a doctor. She helps sick people. Nah, jadi ini bisa diganti mother, father, atau menanyakan pekerjaan orang lain. Jadi, what does your mother do? Berarti padanya, apa pekerjaan ibumu? Jadi, dia adalah seorang dokter. Dia membantu orang sakit. Oke, sekarang Gitrif coba kita belajar di sini. Misalnya, ibunya Gitrif jadi pilot. Misalnya, ibunya Gitrif pilot nih. Misalnya, Cap tanya, what does your mother do?
Mhm.
Oke, diulangi lagi
What
ya.
does
What
your
does your mother
mother
do?
do? My mother do is doctor. What does your mother do? She a doctor. She helps sick people.
Oke, jangan lupa S-nya dibaca ya, gitu, Rif. Ada she's a doctor ya. Coba gitu, Rif.
She's a doctor. She's help sick people.
People. Oke. Oke, sekarang misal contohnya ibunya Gitrif seorang aktris nih. Berarti nanti Gitrif jawab berdasarkan aktris ya. Jadi ini dilihat. Ini ada kerjaannya, bawahnya yang dilakukan. Jadi contohnya, misal Gitrif, katanya misalnya ibunya Gitrif itu seorang aktris ya. Misal, jadi, what does your mother do? Jawabannya,
She a actress. She help. He act in movie.
oke, she acts in movie. Oke, itu bener banget. Jangan lupa S-nya dibaca she's ya. Jadi bukan langsung tapi she's atau she is. Jadi ada S-nya negatif. Jangan lupa S-nya dibaca ya. Jangan kelewatan. Oke, sekarang misalnya your mother is a architect atau arsitek nih. Coba kita tanya. What does your mother do?
Is a actress.
Misalnya arsitek nih. Berarti
Or
gimana?
she a architect. She's design building.
Oke, oke, jangan lupa ya. Berarti she's she's a architect. Jadi kayak gitu. She's a architect. She designs a building. She design buildings. Jangan lupa ada S-nya nih gitu. Oke, coba sekali lagi gitu. Misalnya ibunya tetap arsitek ya. Jadi, what does your mother do?
She is architect. She's design building.
Oke, she designs building. Oke, from here, do you have a question gitu?
No.
No. Okay, so we will continue to the next. Kita akan melanjutkan ke selanjutnya nih. So, the next year we have this. Okay, so look and practice it. So here we have some activities, some occupation, ada beberapa kerjaan nih. So here, can you mention this, Kitri, for number one? From number one here, we have, what is it?
Pilot.
Pilot. So what do, what does he do? What does he do?
Hmm, fly plane.
Fly planes. Oke, benar banget. And then for B, so what is it?
Doctor.
Doctor. Okay, and then what does she do?
Help sick people.
Help sick people. Okay, and then here for this C, what is it? What is it?
Di mm, uh, uh, architect.
Architect. Okay, arsitek atau architect. So what does he do?
Design building.
Design building. Okay, that's good. And then here for number five, what is it?
Hmm,
Ini ada
hmm,
kameramen, ada mix. Jadi kira-kira apa nih mereka?
hmm, act, act,
A- Act,
act,
apa?
act.
Actress or actor ya? Actor or actress. Bisa aktor atau aktris. Oke, gitu.
Okay.
So, what? Okay, because there are two people, ada dua orang nih, actor and actress. So, what do they do kira-kira gitu? What do they do?
I don't know.
Act in movie ya, act in movie. Berarti beraksi di film. So, what do they do gitu?
Act in movie.
Act in movie. Okay, so that is for this. And then the last here, number four. What is him? What is her?
Farmer.
Farmer. And then what does she do?
Mm, grow food.
Grow food. Okay, bener banget. Okay, that is for this. And then here we will continue to this. What does a pilot do? Nah, ini kalau bertanya apa yang dilakukan oleh pilot. Jadi kira-kira ngapain? What does a pilot do? Jawabannya, a pilot.
Pilot is fly plane.
Oke, boleh banget. Atau a pilot flies a plane. Jadi menerbangkan pesawat. Coba kalau sekali lagi. What does a farmer do? Jawabannya,
A farmer grow food.
okay, a farmer grows food. Okay, that's good. Okay, so now Gitrif, this is based on your reality. We have two questions. We have, what do your parents do? Kira-kira
Hmm,
jawabannya apa nih Gitrif? What do your parents do? Pekerjaannya orang tua Gitrif apa?
mengambil minyak
Mengambil
bumi.
minyak. Mengambil minyak berarti apa nih kira-kira pekerjaannya?
Hmm, artek.
Eh, Pekerjaannya namanya apa nih Gitrif kalau Gitrif tahu setahunya?
Hmm, mengambil minyak.
Mengambil minyak. Berarti kalau mengambil minyak berarti mengambil bahasa Inggrisnya apa Gitrif?
Hmm,
Mengambil. Kira-kira mengambil apa nih Gitrif?
I don't know.
Mengambil itu bisa take ya. Berarti kalau mengambil minyak itu bisa take oil atau mengambil minyak ya. Take oil atau mengambil minyak. Tapi Cap kurang tahu nih pekerjaannya ayahnya Gitrif yang ambil minyak gimana ya. Jadi bisa
Ayah
mengambil
aku ayah aku
gimana?
ngambil minyaknya, ibu aku kerjanya di kantor.
Oh, so you can say work in office ya. Oh, bekerja di office. Jadi, what do your parents do? Bisa bilang, they work in office, gitu ya.
Yes,
Jadi bisa mereka bekerja di kantor. Oke, do you get it, Idrif? Oke, so I want to ask you, what do your parents do? Jawabannya,
they work in office.
okay, they work in office. Okay, so that is for this part. Okay, then we will move to the next. The next year we have this. We have two questions. Ada
Movies,
dua pertanyaan nih, Gitrif. We have,
cat,
what does Salinas Feather? Oke, gimana, Gitrif?
movies.
Oke, silakan, Gitrif. Take your time. So now we will continue to this. We have two questions. Number one, what does Selena's father do? And number two, what does he help? Nah, dia ada dua pertanyaan nih. What does Selena's father do? Apa yang dilakukan oleh atau apa pekerjaannya ayahnya Selena? Atau apa yang ayah Selena lakukan pekerjaannya? And then we have who does he help? Jadi siapa yang dia tolong? Nah, oke, are you ready, Gitrif?
Yes,
Okay, so now we will try the audio.
2. Listen again and answer.
There goes my father.
Oh, he's wearing a white coat. What does your father do, Selena?
He's a doctor.
What does a doctor do?
A doctor helps sick people.
Okay, Gitrif, do you get the answer?
no,
Udah belum jawab? Oke, mau satu lagi?
yes,
Oke, one more time ya. Oke, jangan lupa disimak. Oke, so now we will try it again.
2. Listen again and answer.
There goes my father.
Oh, he's wearing a white coat. What does your father do, Selena?
He's a doctor.
What does a doctor do?
A doctor helps sick people.
Oke, dapat jawabannya, Gitrif?
hmm, dapat.
Dapat. Okay, so now we will try to answer it. Okay, so now from number one, what does Selena's father do? The answer is,
He's a doctor.
okay, he is a doctor. The answer is, he is a doctor. And then for number two, who does he help?
He helps sick people.
Okay, he helps sick people. So the answer is he helps sick people. Okay, so now Gitrif, please read in English and sorry. So please read the question and then the answer, Gitrif.
What does Selena's father do? He's doctor. Who does her help? He helps sick people.
He helps sick people. Okay, that's good, Gitrif. Okay, thank you very much, Gitrif, for trying this. Okay, then we will continue to the next year. This. Look and listen to the sample role play. So we will try to practice it. So we have Nicole and Pat. So ini ada yang jadi reporter dan juga ada yang student. Okay, so now we will try to listen to the audio. Okay, are you ready, Gitrif?
Yes.
Okay, so now we will try to listen to the audio.
Page 33. Step 3. Look and listen to the sample role play.
Tell me about your family.
Okay.
What does your mother do?
She's an actress. She acts in movies.
Wow, that's cool. Who is he?
He's my father. He's a farmer.
What does a farmer do?
A farmer grows food. Do you want to see his farm?
Oh, yes.
Oh, they're pulling a turnip out of the ground.
It's so small.
Okay, so that is about the conversation. All right, so now Gitrif, we will try to practice. So, Gitrif, you want to be uh, the reporter or the student? Mau jadi yang mana, Gitrif?
Student.
Student. So, jadi Gitrif yang diwawancarai, Cap yang mewawancarai ya.
Mm-mm.
Okay, so now we will try to start it now. Okay, tell me about yourself. Oh, yeah, tell me about your family.
Okay.
What does your mother do?
She's an actress. She acts in movie.
Wow, that's cool. Who is he?
She's my father. He's farmer.
What does a farmer do?
A farmer grow food.
Do you want to see his farm? Oh, sorry. Oke, jadi ini bagiannya gitu.
Do you want to see his farm?
Oh, yes.
Oh, they are pulling a fruit out the ground.
It's so small. Okay, so that is about this part. Oke, jangan lupa ya, Gitrif. Ada SS-nya. Jadi harus ditekankan S-nya. Jangan kelewatan ya. Oke, so Gitrif, do you have a question?
No,
No. Okay, so then we will continue to the next. We will langsung ke sini nih. So now Gitrif, I want you to fill this for number 1 until number 6. So from the first one, here we have this. There goes my father. Selanjutnya yang mana nih, Gitrif?
yang ini.
Ya,
What does a doctor do?
kurang tepat nih, Gitrif. Berarti kayak, there goes my father. Oh, itu ayah aku.
What does your father do? Do Selena?
Nah, itu nomor 3. Berarti sebelum ini ada lagi nih, Gitrif. Kira-kira sebelum ini harusnya gimana nih?
Oh, wearing a white coat.
Oke, bener banget. Oh, he's wearing a white coat. Terus langsung bilang lagi, what does your father do, Selena?
He is a doctor.
He is a doctor. And then for number 5,
What does your father do, Selena?
what? Nah, number 5. Ini kan nomor 3 nih. Berarti nomor 5 yang
A
Kan yang nomor 4,
doctor helps
he's a
sick
doctor.
people.
He is a doctor. Berarti langsung yang
What does a doctor do?
what does a doctor do? Okay, so this for number 5. And then for number 6, the last,
A doctor helps sick people.
a doctor helps sick people. Okay, that is for number 6. Okay, that is good, Gitrix. Jadi artinya ya, kita akan mencoba artikan bersama-sama nih. There goes my father. Itu dia ayahku. Terus nomor 2, oh, he's wearing a white coat. Oh, dia sedang menggunakan jubah putih. Number 2, what does your father do? Terus jadi, what does your father do, Selina? Apa yang ayah kamu lakukan, Selina? Atau apa pekerjaan ayahmu, Selina? Number 4, he's a doctor. Dia adalah seorang dokter. Number 5, what does a doctor do? Apa yang dilakukan seorang dokter? Jawabannya number 6. A doctor helps sick people. Seorang dokter membantu orang sakit. Oke, then we will have this for the last. Untuk yang terakhir nih, Gitrif. Oke, Gitrif. Disiapkan ballpoint sama alat tulisnya ya. Oke, silahkan.
Dah.
Udah siap ya? Oke, so now we will listen to the audio and then Gitrif, you should fill in the blank. Harus diisi titik-titiknya. Oke, are you ready, Gitrif?
Yes.
Okay, so then we will try to start to the audio.
Tell me about your family.
Okay.
What does your mother do?
She's an actress. She acts in movies.
Wow, that's cool. Who is he?
He's my father. He's a farmer.
What does a farmer do?
A farmer grows food.
Oke, Gitrif, dapat jawabannya?
Baru nomor 1 sampai nomor 2.
Oke, mau dicoba satu lagi, Gitrif?
Yes.
Oke, one more time dan agak dipelankan dikit ya.
Tell me about your family.
Okay.
What does your mother do?
She's an actress. She acts in movies.
Wow, that's cool. Who is he?
He's my father. He's a farmer.
What does a farmer do?
A farmer grows food.
Oke, udah ketemu semuanya, Gitrif?
Belum.
Oke, jadi kita mau coba ngisi bareng-bareng, Gitrif? Oke,
Yes.
so now from the first, tell me about your
Family.
family. Okay, tell me about your family. Okay, and then what does your
Mother.
Okay, what does your mother do? And then number three, she's an actress. She.
She an actress.
Nomor tiga jawabannya.
She act.
Okay, she acts in movie. Wow, that's cool. Number four.
Wow, that's cool.
Jawabannya
Mm, mm, no.
bisa diisi tadi who ya atau siapa. Who is she? Number five jawabannya. He is
He
my.
is my father.
Okay, he is my father. He is a.
Mm,
Apa pekerjaannya ayahnya tadi apa?
Tani, farmer.
Farmer. He is a farmer. And then what does a blah 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 do? Jawabannya
Mm,
apa yang dilakukan oleh seorang apa?
farmer.
Farmer. Okay. What does a farmer do? A farmer grows
Food.
food. Okay, a farmer grows food. Okay, so that is for number one until number eight. Oke, kita terjemahkan bersama-sama nih gitu. Tell me about your family. Ceritakan tentang keluargamu. Okay, what does your mother do? Apa yang dilakukan oleh ibumu atau apa pekerjaan orang tuamu atau ibumu? She is an actress. She acts in movies. Dia adalah seorang aktris. Dia beraksi atau berakting di film. Wow, that's cool. Wow, itu keren banget. Who is she? Siapa dia? He is my father. Dia adalah ayahku. He is a farmer. Dia adalah seorang petani. What does a farmer do? Apa yang dilakukan seorang petani? A farmer grows food. Seorang petani menumbuhkan makanan. Alright, so Gidrif, from now, do you have a question?
No.
No, okay. Because the time is up, waktunya udah habis nih Gidrif. Okay, so now let me end the recording.